Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change your Google account password. So click on your profile icon, then click on your profile, manage accounts on this device, manage your Google account. Once you're here, go to security, password, and put your new password in. Also, if you can't log into an account, like you want to add an account, and let's say you don't remember your password, another robot, next, just click forgot password, and then you can enter last password, change it. If you have your phone number added or a recovery mail, then you can use it also. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.